In this video, I am going to show you how to mute server notifications on Discord desktop. To mute server notifications on Discord's desktop version, follow these steps. 1. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Discord website. Once you're logged in, proceed to the server list on the left-hand side of the Discord interface. Locate the server that you want to mute and right-click on it. This will open a context menu with various options. From the context menu, select the Mute Server option. A sub-menu will appear allowing you to choose the duration for which you want to mute the notifications. You can choose between 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, or 24 hours. Click on your preferred duration to mute the server notifications for that specific period. By following these steps, you can easily mute servers or notifications on Discord desktop version, allowing you to focus on other tasks without being disturbed by constant notifications from the selected server. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.